Good morning student and welcome to my English class. Student, today I will explain you poem Sea Song of Unit 4. Okay. And student, have you ever collected shells? Do you know what is a shell? This is the picture of shell. Okay, we can find it near the river bank, in the river bank and seashore. River bank means नदी के किनारे and seashore means समुद्र के किनारे. Okay, near the seas. So this is the poem about a shell. In this poem, there is a boy who found a shell near the sea. You can see here in this picture, this boy is carrying this shell, and this is a sea. A boat is floating on the sea, and here is a coconut tree. It means it is a seashore. ये समुद्र का किनारा है. ओके, नाउ आई एम रीडिंग द पोम फॉर यू. यू लिसन केयरफुली. आई फाउंड अ शेल, अ curly one, lying on the sand. I picked it up and took it home, cold inside my hand. Mummy looked at it and then she held it to my ear, and from the shell there came a song, soft and sweet and clear, soft and sweet and clear. I was surprised. I listened hard, but it was really true. I wish you would find a nice shell, a big shell, and hear it singing too. Now the explanation. In this poem, this boy is saying कि one day I found a shell which was curly. Curly means curves. ऐसे घुमा हुआ होता है ना, गोल गोल, just like मैगी. तो वैसा I found that type of shell lying on the sand. It was lying on the sand. And student, you know very well, in the river bank and in the seashore there is a lot of sand. नदी के किनारे और समुद्र के किनारे बहुत सारी sand होती है. There he got that shell. Then boy is saying, I picked it up. He picked it up and he took it to his house, cold inside my hand. When he held the shell in his hand became cold. Why? Because the shell was cold. That's why his hand became cold. उसका हाथ भी ठंडा हो गया. Okay. And he gave it to his mother, and his mother looked at it. His mother looked the shell, and she put that shell near his ears. See, his mother is putting this shell near his ears. Why? Because she wants that the boy listen the song of this shell. And from the shell there came a song, and the boy saying a song. Song means the sound. Some sound was coming from that shell, and the sound was very soft and very sweet and clear. He can hear the sound clearly. It is very soft and sweet. I was surprised. The boy saying, when I listened that song, I was surprised कि how the song sound is coming from that shell. I listened hard. He listened very carefully, but it was really true. The boy saying the sound of that song was really true. It was true. It was not my imagine. मतलब ये मेरा imaginary साउंड नहीं था, मैं इसके बारे में सोच नहीं रहा था, कल्पना नहीं थी. इट वॉज रियली ट्रू, सचमुच में आवाज़ आ रही थी. ओके, आई विश यू वुड फाइंड अ नाइस बिग सेल. नाउ द बॉय इज विशिंग फॉर एवरी वन, मीन्स फॉर यू. ही इज विशिंग फॉर यू. यू ऑल्सो गेट अ बिग शेल एंड यू ऑल्सो sing the you also listen the song of that shell. Okay, this is the shell, and everybody know we kept this shell in our puja ghar, है ना. in a when in katha, सत्यनारायण की कथा सुनी है. that time also the पंडित जी blow the shell, है ना, संग बजाते हैं ना पंडित जी, तो ये वही shell है. तो it is very useful. It is useful for decoration and for worship. Okay, now next chapter. Your next chapter is a little fish story. A little fish story. This is the story of a fish who is very small in size. Very small in size. I will read this chapter and I will explain also. There are a great many million fish in the seas. Means there are so many hundreds of fishes were in the sea. But this story is about just one of them. But this story is not about the all fish. This story is about a very very small fish. Okay, this is the story of a small fish. Now this little fish had everything in the seas to make him content, but he was not happy. What do the fish need to live? Water, है ना. A fish need water to live. So water is there, plants were there, everything was there in the sea. But still this fish was not happy. It was unhappy. You will laugh when I tell you why he was not. You will laugh if I will tell you the reason why the fish was not happy. He was unhappy. She was unhappy. She was not happy because he was so very small. Because of his size. The size of fish was very small. That's why this fish was unhappy. Okay? It is very hard to be such a little mite of a fish, he could say over and over again. Means this fish said to everyone again that it is very hard to be a little mite. Mite means creature. ओके, छोटा होना ऑफ अ फिश, एक छोटी फिश होना, इट इज़ वेरी हार्ड, ये बड़ा मुश्किल की बात है. ऑलवेज शी सेड दीज वर्ड्स अगेन अगेन, बार बार कहती थी. ही रिपीट इज दीज वर्ड्स अगेन अगेन. ही रिपीट दीज वर्ड्स. ओके, इफ आई वर ओनली लार्जर हाउ मच हैप्पियर आई कुड बी. एंड ही सेड टू द अदर फिश, he told his wish to the other fish. His wish was if I were only larger how much happier I could be. अगर मैं थोड़ी सी बड़ी होती तो मैं कितनी खुश होती. And he said it to so many times that I think we believed it. And he believed this thing कि yes, see, I am very small, that's why I am very sad. Now see what happened one day. One day he was swimming along with the rest of his school. School is a collective noun. It is a group of fish. Two group of fish, we call it school. Okay, one day this fish was swimming with other fishes, and it was thinking, no doubt, how much more the larger fish had to be thankful for than he. She was thinking about his size. Then what happened suddenly? With no warning, means without any warning, they found themselves, they means all the fish found themselves in the meshes of a great net. They caught by a net. Okay, there was much floundering and splashing as the net was drawn up out of the water. Floundering means struggling. All fishes struggling mentally in water to come out of the net. And this meshes means it is a network of wire or thread to catch the fish. Okay, जाल कहते हैं ना, that. They tried to come out from the meshes, but the net was drawn up out of the water. But someone is drawing up the net from the water. And just as its howl was being, and just as its haul means to pull with efforts, मतलब someone is pulling up the net from the water with all of his effort. Okay, next line. Emptied into the boat, and he was that who was pulling the net na, he was emptied into the boat. He was ready to empty the net in his boat. मतलब वो जाल में से जो मछलियाँ ली ना, उन मछलियों को कहाँ डाल रहा था? अपनी बोट में डालने लग रहा था. The smallest fish in the school wriggled through the mesh and slipped back into the cool, clear water. Then what happened? The smallest fish, smallest is the superlative degree of small, मतलब सबसे छोटी fish जो थी, in the school means in the group, he wriggle means movement होता है ना, like this. When it was moving, so it slipped back into the cool, clear water. वापस पानी में गिर गए. How good it felt when he come back in cool water. This fish feel very good. He swam here and there and everywhere, and with joy he swam here and there. As here and there he start swimming. And some of the fish who knew him well all the rest of his life, and some of the one means जितनी भी फिश थी, उनमें से जो इसे जानती थी, न्यू मीन्स जानती थी, उसकी पूरी लाइफ में जो उसकी लाइफ थी उसके बाद की, ठीक है, आफ्टर दैट इंसिडेंट, said that they never again heard him say that he wished to be anything but a little fish. They never heard that fish was saying, I wish to be a big fish. मतलब वो बड़ी फिश अब नहीं बनना चाहती थी. Now she was happy with his small size. Okay, now think why she was happy with his small size? Anybody can tell me the reason? Okay, I will tell you. Because the small size of fish save his life. क्योंकि वो छोटी थी इसलिए तो उसकी जान बची थी. स्मॉल साइज के कारण ही उसकी जान बच गई थी. That's why the fish was happy and he never said, if I were only larger, how much happier I could be. These words he never repeat in rest of his life. Okay, this is the story of a little fish. Okay, my dear student, and last week I explained one chapter, article. Am I right? Article. Yeah, I will explain this chapter of article again here in this video. With the help of this video, you can do the revision of article. What are the articles? The word a, an and the are our articles. Okay. The word a or an is called the indefinite article because it does not point out any one definite person or thing. It is a or an. These two articles are your indefinite articles. Okay, don't forget it. Don't forget these things. Okay, a or an are your indefinite articles because it not point out any particular person or particular things. But the word the, this article is called the definite article. Why? Because it point out some particular person or particular things. We use this article for particular things and particular persons. Okay, now things to remember, things which you have to remember, don't forget it. We use article a with only countable nouns. It means where we have to use this article a with only countable noun. Countable noun means nouns which we can count. So we will use this article. You can see here. What are these? These are trees. Can we count these trees? Yes, na? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 trees are here. So we can use word a with these, with tree. And here are fish. Can we count the fish? Yes, of course. How many fish are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fish are here. So we can write article a with these words. Okay, now I am explaining it here also. For example, suppose you have to write blank place tree. Can we count this tree? I told you just before, yes. So we will write here a. Now dog. Can you count the dogs? Yes, na? You can count the dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dogs. We can count the dogs. So we will write here a dog. It is a singular. Here is no s. And book. Same book. Book also we can count. It is a countable noun. This is a countable noun. And tree is also a countable noun. So we can write here a. Second is an. Article an. So article an we use with vowels. In your class KG, class first and class second, your teacher told you about the vowels. Which words are our vowels? A, E, I, O and U. These 5 words are our vowels. Words whose spellings begins with these vowels, we have to write with them and. Okay, for example, X. X means kulhadi. So what we have to write here? A. No, we will write here N. Okay, because this A is your vowel. Second is eyes. Eyes spelling begins with E, and E is your vowel. So we will write here N again. And this is your igloo. Igloo's spelling is begins with I. I is your vowel. So we will write here A. Okay. Now here owl. O-W-L, owl. And owl spelling begins with O. So what we will write here? An. Understand? Now here is U R N. On means फ्लावर पॉट होता है ना बच्चों, उसको अर्न भी कहते हैं. तो इट स्पेलिंग इज बिगिंस विद यू एंड यू इज योर वॉवल. सो वी विल राइट हियर एन. ओके, बट समटाइम वी नॉट यूज दिस एन वॉवल विद यू. when we can't use n with you, when its pronunciation is u. For example, uniform. Now see and pay attention towards my pronunciation. What is the pronunciation of this word? Uniform. Uniform. And here on है ना. Here I am not saying this you as you. On. I am pronouncing on. But here I am pronouncing this you as you. You को मैं you ही बोल रही हूँ ना. Uniform. तो we will write here a uniform. When we pronounce this you as you, so we write here, we have to write here a, not n. It is a vowel, but we will not write n. When we will pronounce it as you. And one more example, useful. Listen my dear student, here again I am pronouncing this you as you. Useful. So we will have to write here a uniform, a useful. But here I am not pronouncing here on. I am not pronouncing you, yon, है ना. Same your umbrella is also. Umbrella's spelling is also begins with u. Umbrella. But I am pronouncing it here umbrella. So we will write here n. Understand? This is the difference when we have to use n or when we have to use a with vowel u. Okay, here I written all these things. And one more thing, the use of the. What is the use of the? When we have to use the word the. Article the is used before common noun when we want to particularize it. We can use this the with when we want to particularize to a common noun. For example, here you can see, this is the girl who won the first prize. यहाँ पर आपको स्पेशली बता रहे हैं, दिस इज द गर्ल. ये वही लड़की है जिसको प्राइज मिला, जिसने प्राइज जीता. अंडरस्टैंड? अदरवाइज वी हैव टू यूज अ वर्ड विद दिस कॉमन नाउन. गर्ल इज अ कॉमन नाउन ना, बट इन दिस सेंटेंस we are especially saying for this girl because this girl won the prize na. Every girl can't won the prize, this girl. So in this sentence I want to particularize this girl, so we can use the girl. Okay, article the is used before adjectives in the superlative degrees. Adjectives, the degree of adjectives I will teach you later. Okay, जब ये आपके कोर्स में आएगा then I will teach this. But you know these words na, smallest. Just before I told you in your lesson little fish story mein they are used na smallest one. The fish was smallest one, है ना. तो small superlative degree, with the superlative degree we use this word, this article the. For example, biggest. Biggest is the superlative degree of big. Big, bigger, biggest. So biggest is the superlative degree. So we will use here the. Okay, smallest. सबसे छोटा, smallest, superlative degree of small. So we will use here the. Highest. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Highest. Highest is also a superlative degree. So we will use there article the. Okay dear. Article the is used before the name of rivers. All the name of rivers like the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Brahmaputra, the Nile, ocean, the Hind Mahasagar, the Red Sea, the Arabian Sea. Okay, mountains ranges, all mountain ranges, the Aravali, the Satpura, the Vindhyachal, the Nilgiri, scared books, all the books, holy books, the Ramayana, the Gita, the Quran, the Bible, the Guru Granth Sahib, all these are your scared book ना, ये हमारी धार्मिक किताबें हैं. तो we have to use this article the. And the name of the nation. The name of nation means what is the name of our nation? India. So we can use article the with India, the America, the Japan. Okay. Here is the examples also. Now, omissions of the articles means what things we not have to do when we not have to use any article. When no article is used before the names of language. Language means Punjabi, Garhwali, Gorkhali, Asmi, Bengali, Bhojpuri. All these are language. We will not use any article with language. With proper noun also. Proper noun you know very well. Abstract noun. Abstract noun I told you. Proper noun I told you. And material nouns, all the materials noun, these also I explain you in your lesson kinds of nouns. So my dear student, don't forget all these things. You have to learn all these articles properly, especially use of the and use of an. When we will not use article an with you, and when we have to use article an with you. This is very important. Don't forget this. Okay, my dear student. Thank you. Now I will meet with you in my next class, on coming class and video also. Don't forget to watch the videos. It helps you to learn. Okay. Okay. Now thank you student and bye bye.